everybody, today I'm going to show you how to fold an origami fallen leaf. And I thought that I'd do this model because it's getting around autumn. So you're going to need one square piece of origami paper. You're going to fold it in half, corner to corner. Unfold. Fold the top side edges towards the center. Just like that. And the bottom side edges to the center. Just like that. Okay. So now that you have that done, I'm going to fold your model in half. Just like that. I'm going to fold that down. Open it up. Fold it back in half. And then squash that down. Okay, so now that you have that done, you're going to open it up and fold a crease. About right there. Now you're going to fold this part back over and over this way, then over this way, then over that way, and then over that way one more time. Then you're going to take that bottom corner and pull it out a little. And then there you go, an origami fallen leaf. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you might want to check out some of my other origami videos, or go to paperfoldingfun.com for printable PDFs or tutorial or HTML tutorials for any models that you like. So have a good day, keep folding, and I'll see you in upcoming videos. Bye!